Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Akti's World and this is Naktiha. Today I'm going to tell you a story. This story's name is Goldilocks and the Three Bears. So let's begin. A long time ago, there lived three bears and the three bears loved to eat porridge. One day, the three bears went for a walk. "What's in here?" said a girl named Goldilocks. She entered the house and then saw three bowls of porridge. One bowl was big, one bowl was medium, the other bowl was small. She took a spoon from the biggest bowl and she said, "This porridge is too hot." Then she took a spoon from the medium bowl. She said, "This porridge is too cold." And then at last she ate the smallest bowl. She said, "This is just right. Yum, yum." She ate it all. Then she got further in the house and then saw three chairs. One was big, one was medium, the other was small. She sat on the big chair. She said, "This chair is too hard." She sat on the medium bowl. She sat on the second chair and she said, "This chair is too soft." And then she sat on the smallest chair and then said, "This is just right." Oops, she broke the chair. And then she went up the stairs and then saw three beds. One bed was big, one bed was medium, the other bed was small. She lied on the biggest bed and then said, "This bed is too hard." Then the second bed, "This bed is too soft." And at last she lied on the third bed and then said, "This bed is just right." She fell asleep. The three bears came and said, "Who's been eating my porridge?" said Daddy Bear. "Who's been eating my porridge?" said Mommy Bear. "My porridge is all gone," said Baby Bear. And then they go further in the house and then saw, "Who's been sitting in my chair?" said Daddy Bear. "Who's been sitting in my chair?" said Mommy Bear. "My chair is broken," said Baby Bear. And they got up the stairs. And they saw, "Who's been lying in my bed?" said Daddy Bear. "Who's been lying in my bed?" said Mommy Bear. "Who is sleeping in my bed?" said Baby Bear. Goldilocks woke up and then said, "It's time to go." And from that day, Goldilocks never went to that house. And thank you for listening to me. Bye bye.